G'day everyone and welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is May the 13th, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. You can see here on our weekly trend and our daily, they're both in bearish momentums. So let's look at each of these in detail. On the weekly, we first look at the triple moving average of the price chart. That's moving average 3, 5 and 60. That's in a bearish momentum. Likewise, the CCI 150, moving average 5 and 50 are also in a bearish movement. So they're both aligned and that's showing us a bearish signal on the weekly. That same condition applies to the daily, so that's also in a bearish movement. But also we take note of the support at 64.36, the resistance at 83.40, and we look at these descending diagonal lines. You can see there, longer term, it's against through that area, and it looks like it may well approach that lower descending line in the coming days. I've left that other ascending line in there because if it does bounce, it may have a resistance up there as well. So at the moment, it's looking like it's approaching this lower diagonal. You can see they're also between that low and that high. We've got it did bounce off this support and it hit just exactly on the 50% retracement on the Fibonacci retracement and bouncing again down to the downside. On the hourly, again, you can see it more clearly on those diagonals. We've also got these fractals drawn in here as a trading idea. So again, when both the weekly and the daily are aligned, as they are now, we go in a take bearish trades only. So we only take trades at where the candle breaks below the fractal, like it did there, and more recently, last few hours, just hit it there as well. So only trade in the direction of the weekly and daily trend. And up here, I've got a back test showing no discrimination on the weekly and daily trends. In other words, it trades on the hourly throughout the whole period. And you can see there, it did hit a multiple average down during that period. But if you look at that on the weekly as well, you can see that there's no bullish trades. Again, this is only a long bullish trade back test. There was no bullish trades there, so you would have avoided taking all those long trades, and you would have avoided taking that hit on your drawdown as well. So to understand this and other trading ideas, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page with access to stock scans and currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in a future video.